So just taking a quick look at Dogecoin here on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, looking like we are just basically getting absolutely chopped to pieces by Bitcoin right now. Obviously we closed above this big daily fair value gap for Dogecoin, which was a really good sign for continuation to the upside, to be honest, especially after respecting it for the large part of last week, as you can see. But then Bitcoin yesterday deciding it was going to open up on the New York Open and choose violence, basically liquidating down back down to the downside here, clearly through a bunch of levels of liquidity. We've obviously got these big bullish fair value gaps here that we've ripped back down through, currently bouncing out of this lower fair value gap down here, as you can see. Bitcoin right now consolidating at this low and currently breaking out, trying to push back to the upside, as we can see, although looking like it's getting a bit rejected at this point. We could very well see Bitcoin getting rejected out of some of these higher gaps now that we've moved bearish here. We could end up getting rejected out of this fair value gap, so it's going to be interesting to see which way we break first, if we break above this or if we break down from here. We're going to be in for more pain for altcoins if we start breaking down again like this. Overall, I would say Bitcoin right now is kind of in a weird position, looking like it wants to move bearish, if I'm being completely honest, and have a retracement maybe back down to this 50% area for a bounce. But I think it's mostly just the manipulation in the markets, to be honest, and not really an actual move to the downside that is wanted or warranted. And to be honest, this could still very well bounce out of this fair value gap here and continue bullish after liquidating all the people here thinking that they were in some pretty safe longs. Right now, as a result, as I said, Dogecoin getting chopped to pieces. Bitcoin making new all-time highs yesterday, but you can see Dogecoin having very bearish reactions to any kind of downside for Bitcoin. Right now we've come down to the bottom of this big fair value gap here, hopefully grabbing liquidity out of this big daily gap down below and then bouncing out of this. This would potentially be a good place for a bounce, in my opinion, but it all depends on Bitcoin as always. And right now altcoins, despite the fact that the altcoin basket made a new all-time high again yesterday, are still looking pretty bearish. Bitcoin still at all-time highs, as you can see, a few days ago making a new all-time high, the altcoin basket at all-time highs, but Dogecoin here just looking very, very bearish, and the whole of the altcoin space looking very weak. So we're going to have to wait and see if we're going to get that altcoin season roll looking for. Right now, not much going on. As always, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.